least 12 dead as massive snowstorm hits US. At least 12 people have been killed in a massive winter storm that struck the United States this week. Amid the killed persons is a state trooper who was responding to a crash. The snowstorm knocked out power to 1.5 million people due to heavy snow and winds. It disrupted all kinds of transportation, including trains, planes, vehicles, closing hundreds of miles of roads, and disrupting travels across the country. Over 5,600 US flights were cancelled on Friday. The storms that began in parts of Midwest on Friday extends over 3,200 kilometers from Texas to Quebec. The temperatures have dropped to as low as -24 Fahrenheit in Colorado and -32 Fahrenheit in Kansas. The U.S. National Weather Service, NWS, said on Friday that its map depicts one of the greatest extents of winter weather warnings so far.
Okay, that sounds good.
Do you need anything?
Okay, right now I'm good.
Okay.
All right.
I'll return.
These are cars abandoned right here. Cars abandoned in the middle of the road. Huge drift. So these are scenes that you see throughout downtown Buffalo. Cars being abandoned out here. Big drifts as well.
The entire dome. Oh my God. It is literally, I knew it was gonna snap.